Hi, everyone, welcome to Jodoo. It is Estella. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Automations Pro to query a record and automate workflows with a practical example in customer management. Before we dive in, let's briefly talk about the Query Record node. This powerful tool allows you to search for and retrieve specific records from a form based on conditions you define. Whether you need to match data, filter results, or use retrieved records in subsequent actions, the Query Record node makes it all possible. Also, the query result can be referenced repeatedly by subsequent action nodes. For example, you can use the Query Record node to check if a customer's information already exists in your database. In cases where the company information already exists, you can use the Update Record node to update the existing record with the new contact details. If not, you can use the Update Record node to add the corresponding information to the customer info. Let's see how to do it. First, navigate to the form you add a customer's information to. Click Edit and Extension. Choose Automations from the left panel. Click New Automation. You can name your Automation Pro. In this case, we name it Submits and Adds because we want this automation to check whether the information already exists when we submit a record and add to another form if the information doesn't exist. Then we need to select a trigger type. In our case, we use Form Trigger and select the contact's form as the triggering form. Click OK to go to the design page. Next, we need to define our trigger. This is what tells the system to start the automation. In our case, the trigger will be Add Record. This means the automation will activate every time a new contact is added. Next, we'll add the Query Record node. We select Customer Info as the target form in which the Automation Pro search information. Next, set the condition to match the customer name from the newly added contact. For example, use customer name equals company or organization name as the filtering condition. This ensures that only records with the same company name as the new contact are retrieved. If multiple records match the query, you can add sorting rules to define which record to prioritize. For example, sort by created time in descending order to retrieve the most recent entry. In our example, there is no need to add a sorting rule, so we skip this. Until now, we have configured the Query Record node. Next, we add an Update Record node. Click the plus button, choose Update Record node. Select Customer Info form as the target form in which the Automation Pro update or add records. Next, configure the conditions. Remember to tick this. This ensures that if no record is to be updated, add one to the corresponding form. Then we need to set field value, which ensures the right data is transferred. Once everything is set up, we click Save and Enable to activate the Automation Pro. Then let's test the automation to make sure it works as expected. We click Manage Data and click Add to create a contact. After creating a new contact, we check the customer info to see if a new record is created automatically. As you can see, the new customer information was added instantly. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation to query records and enrich customer data using Jodoo Automations Pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you're using Automations Pro to enhance your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.